Okay, so let me demonstrate how to run factor analysis using Jamovi. So first you go here on the left hand of your screen and access your data. The data that I will use is personality.sub. This is a data about probably a questionnaire examining the traits of different participants. Okay. So how many participants do they have? They have 459 participants. And as you can see, okay, the range is from 1 to 5. Ano? Yan, from 1 to 5. So look at it. Personality 2 is finds fault. Okay. 3 is does a thorough job. Let's look at 1. Talkative, yan. Depressed, so on and so forth. Okay. So this is an examination that aims to test uh, if they can create constraints, okay, out of this latent variable. So later on, we will find out what do personality 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 aims to measure. Yan, tignan natin mamaya. No? Yan. What is clear at this point is that the levels are from 1 to 5. Ano? Assuming that everything, all the variables here are in 1 to 5 scale, ordinal. Okay? Ordinal yan. Okay? So let's go to analysis, factors, exploratory factor analysis, and then just simply include all dito sa variables. Yan. So just simply click it. Okay. So it will now start computing. And then our extraction method is principal axis. And then we will use the varimax. So these are the basic steps. Yeah. So principal axis. This is a very mathematical approach in factor analysis. Okay. Yan. And then let's check on the assumption, the Bartlett's test of sphericity, and the KMO to test if we have adequate samples. Okay. The Bartlett's test is simply tests if the variables are correlated. Okay. And then you can sort loadings and then you can limit. Okay. You can limit this, hide loadings below zero point 0.3. Possibly we can use or probably we will use 0.4. Okay. So let's use zero point 0.4. Click factor summary, model fit, okay, and then script plot. Okay, script plot is the visual approach to initial eigenvalues. Okay, but before we proceed here, we have to check first if we satisfy the assumption. You have here the variance explained by your factor analysis, by your model. Okay, you have 1 to 6. Kaya lang, may 6 ka rin. Okay. So meron kang ano, it consists of personality 16 and personality 11. Yan. Okay? So you have the factor statistics. Okay? So as you can see, the cumulative percentage here suggests that 39% of the variation is being explained by the model. Okay? Throughout this semester, we are talking about variation. Okay? So this is good. Ano? Okay na yan. Ano? Pagka ni-round up mo yan, that's 40%. Okay? And then you have here the model fit index measures. Okay, you have the Armesia. Okay, basically it tells you how much well your factor model fits the data. The lower values typically below 0.05 indicates a good fit. Okay, so okay daw yan, ano, 0.05. Yan. Okay, so this suggests that the true Armesia is very likely within the range and all values are within the good fit. Okay, so pwede na, no? Okay. Then next you have the Tucker Lewis, that's the TLI. Okay. This is in form of coefficient. Ideally, we want a value close to 1, of course. Pagka sinabing coefficient. Okay? Mm-mm. Yan. Acceptable na yan. Ano? Yan. Ah, okay? The BIC will only be used if you are comparing several models. Well, in this case, we only have one. Okay? Basically, you can create several model you can compare later on. Ano? Yan. Okay? And the p-value here only suggests, okay, that the model does not fit the date which okay. Okay naman yung model, it's significant. Ano? Yan, okay na yun. Okay? And then you have the assumptions check, you have the sphericity. So, well, for one, ano, if you will notice, sphericity is about the correlation. Ano? So, you want it to be significant. Okay? Yan. Okay? Kasi pagka hindi yan significant, naging greater than 0.05, then hindi correlated yung mga ano. Okay? It will not make sense, syempre. Yan. Kasi pag bumagsak yung assumption check mo, lahat naman ito babagsak yung mga model fit indices. Okay? That's the possibility. Okay? So, in the previous slide, we have discussed the KMO, what is acceptable in KMO. Ano? Up to point 0.7 above is acceptable. Okay? Lower than 0.7, it's not acceptable. Okay? And then you have the script plot. As you can see, you have, yan. So you have 6, ano? Yan. It reached the value of 1, ano? Katulad mamaya sa K-means, anything beyond, okay? Beyond 6 or above 6 will no longer be relevant. Okay? Ibig sabihin, mahihirapan na tayo siyang i-interpret. Okay? Yan. So anything beyond that. So, ang sinasabi dito, yan. Eigenvalues above 1 can be, yan, may interpret pa natin, mapapaliwanag pa natin. Yan. So let's go here to the to the exploratory factor analysis, the factor loading. Okay. So for okay, okay. So we can now proceed to the factor loadings. So as you can see, you have six, ano? Yan. You have six constraint, ano? That will be measured by depende, ano, on the number of variables. Okay? Yan. So sabi natin kanina, and anything beyond 0.45 will be accepted. Yan. So for the first variable, okay, for the first group, okay, for the first latent variable, we have number 18, number 3, 23, 28, 8, 33, 13, 43, and 38. You will notice negative signs. Okay? Yan. So, well, it will be the opposite direction, of course. Okay? So, for number 18, okay, pagtabihin lang natin variable and the result. Ano? Sabi dito that this personality is negative in disorganized. Okay? In number 3, he does a thorough job. 23, he is not lazy kasi negative, ano? And then 28, perseveres. Okay? So this is more of a positive personality. Okay? Yung number 1, ano? If you will notice. Yan. Kasi it goes to the ano, no? You will see the negative direction. Okay? Yan. So is the ibig sabihin pagka sinagot niyang ano siya, uh, disorganized, mababa yung i-rate niya doon, ano? That's the reason. Yan. Pero, yan, he does a thorough job. Yan. Number two, you have 21. He is quiet. This personality is quiet. Reserved. Okay? Okay. Nagsasalita lang siya pagka kailangan. Number one, talkative. Hindi daw siya talkative. 31, shy. Mahiyain. Yun nga lang, mahiyain. Hindi madaldal. Ayan. So, 36 is outgoing. Negative sa outgoing. So, probably this personality has something to do with introvert, di ba? Something like that. So, it's up to you. It's up to the domain on how to name that. Okay. So, when you go to factor 3, okay, for the latent variable 3, okay, number 14 is tense. Negative siya sa 9. What is 9? Relax. Hindi siya relax. Ano? Yan. Negative 602 for 24, emotionally stable. Hindi daw siya emotionally stable. Okay? 19, worries. Parang ano siya, ano? Anxious. This type of personality is anxious. Ano? However, you will see here that this value, okay? Yan. So nasa dalawang ano siya, ano, nasa dalawang factor, no? Yan. So yung 39, ano ba yung 39? Okay? Nervous, ano? If this will be the case, kung saan mataas yung coefficient, doon siya dapat na factor. Okay? You will disregard this, yung 0.41. Okay? Hindi siya trait nito, ha? Nung number 2. Kasi it will not make sense. Isa pa yun, ano? Yan. Yan. Okay? Yan. It will not make sense. Although it will make sense kasi nga ito ay introvert. So nervous. Kaya lang kasi dito siya mataas sa number 3. Okay? So on and so forth. So that's how factor analysis works. Yan. Okay? If we do not limit the number of, kunyari, hindi ka nag-hide ng ano, ng factor loadings. Binabaan mo to sa 0.2. Although in reality, acceptable is 0.4, 0.39 to 0.4. So ganyan yung mangyayari. Hindi ka nag-sort, yan. Magiging magulo yung interpretation. Okay? Yan. So that's how it works, ano? Factor analysis.